Just a couple of projects left and finally we can go somewhere.
I'm so happy to be out of the bilge. My skin is gonna get sunburned.
The sun is so bright for going. What's the plan?
That's when they make these for. Here, try it.
Oh, nice.
We need to open the sail bag, hook up the halyard, get the sail in the air.
Well, all I hope at this point is gonna go up and we can finally leave. Hope as always.
So I'm gonna go get that tube of lubrication. Do you want to do it or I?
What are you gonna lubricate? What?
That's... You're gonna put grease all over this.
Are you sure this is the right tool for that?
Grease all over this? Maybe not. You're gonna take the greaser and you're gonna go in this slot up above and pump grease into there so that each one of the little cars are gonna take it up and get lubricated because it's dry. Go for it, greaser.
What is the possibility that I'm gonna break my leg and we're not gonna leave it?
Zero, thank you. Watch it to see if it's squirting out.
How much?
Quite a bit, because it's going to drag them up there with it.
Officially grease.
I'm going to give you the halyard so you can connect it.
Wait. Okay, it's tight.
But I'm totally happy with this cover yet because it acts like a sail or anchor, but it does make dropping the sail a lot easier.
Yeah, and we are dropping it so often. What are the chances that it's gonna go up just fine?
It's our boat Dawn Hunter. What are the chances that it's not going to go up? Fine. Are you cranky or am I cranky?
You've been cranking all morning. So.
Hey. Cranking, not cranky. Wonder why I got the cranking job. We're much better at lubricating. That should be it. Just a moment, let me check. Yep.
Yes?
Yeah.
Shouldn't we mark it somewhere?
Mark what?
We both know for a fact that...
No, I'll show you how you know it's up.
I thought at my age it would be pretty good to know when something is up.
Yeah, but that's why we're helping. Never let good lubrication go to waste.
Nasty.
So wind is blowing, we don't have a lot of time here.
Not going down?
It is part of the way. More grease.
More grease.
Hold that rope. Let it go. No, I'm sorry, not let it go. Just let it go out. Don't let go of the rope.
Oh, okay.
Wind is not our friend, you know, it's caught. This is what happens when you don't have wind.
Careful.
Ah, you have hope. All right, it's working much better. What happened is the wind is against us.
Everything is against us, including this boat.
What'd you do with the green rope? Producer forgets that she's actually working here. All right, so that's not bad. We're gonna have to tighten up lazy jacks a little bit. Keep the green rope tight so it doesn't get caught in steps again. Stop, let it come down. All right, that's good. You can tie it off.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm very satisfied.
Really? I thought it didn't go well.
Everything was working great. It's just that we were in the marina, so the wind blowing in from the starboard side blew the sail over the top of the lazy jacks. And I'm not too keen on lazy jacks. Makes things easier, but this is like multiple times the sail gets caught in it, so you've got to be really perfect in the winds.
Okay, Mr. Sailor.
And this is not your normal sail because this boat has super heavy sails and they don't fold like you see the race sails.
I see.
So they're not just gonna like go.
No?
Never.
Okay.
Can't have everything. Good job of lubrication.
Thanks. I don't know why we're going to, but we're going to. Bye, William. as he says, a pellet gun.
Well, we can only travel with 25 caliber and under with our firearms, but that doesn't include air pellet guns. Be able to catch food. I think I have to come up with another excuse that sounds better, but that's all I can think of for right now.
So we rented a car and we're gonna go to Isla Morada to buy this.
We didn't rent the car for the pellet gun, we rented the car for the boat part, but because it's here, we're gonna go find a pellet gun. 22 caliber. This is perfect for iguanas and varmints and
nasty, evil aborigines.
I think you have a better chance of just hitting them over the head with the stock. Do they have any poisonous plants?
Doesn't want to be friends. What?
Little onion water, made just for you.
Never heard of onion waters. Sounds scary. Where did you even find it?
It's like hemlock water.
Okay. Banana, pineapple, and strawberry. Pretty good.
And chicken.
And chicken.
About ready to leave. We have a leak out of the turbocharger. Now I have to hit it with a hammer to dislodge it. It's 50-50. Either it's going to survive this or we're going to have another bad news. My nice small hammer that is the tool of choice on this boat. Shit! Came off and I didn't see anything flying across the engine room. Oh boy. Exhaust makes it spin. Intake sucks in air at a high rate. And if there's any kind of small gap, which I now have found, exhaust leak is coming into the engine room, filling the boat up. So every time we stop, we had to open everything up and let air out. That also means I probably have a bigger problem knowing this boat. The gasket's completely disintegrated. Crack in the stainless exhaust system right up here. This whole beast, I'm gonna have to pull out. I think it's asbestos, I don't know. It's like gutting a deer. What?
It's not heavy, it's this handle.
I know. Grab the thing. I'm going to take the front red rope. You take the back red rope. I already have a cart under here. The mission is don't let it go into the water.
Yeah, right.
You're the one in the workout gear.
Came from running into this.
Looks like we've landed.
Ta-da! Okay, are we done?
Yeah, you go shower.
Okay, I'm gonna go shower. hope that's not from our boat.
Yeah. You know, the exhaust leak we had when you were gone, I ripped the whole thing out. And
Like, are you for real?
I'm for real. I wanted you to help me, but I didn't want to like break the news to you.
So when are you gonna say to me?
Like when you came back.
So what does that entail?
We gotta go find a place to make a new exhaust riser and stainless part. Look. That's why we were smelling exhaust in the whole boat.
Right now I don't want to even look. I'm gonna go shower, we can talk about that later. I feel like every time we move forward, this boat just like strikes back and something else happens. And a lot of time I like take it out on William because I can't control anything, and I know it's not fair, but because he's the one like responsible for the repairs, at some moments when I get emotional, I feel like that's his fault, which is totally unfair. But I just get like this because I'm like, it's every time it's new thing. It's one thing is repaired and another thing it just breaks. So it's yeah, it's hard. Real fast, it's going down.
Oh, okay. Let it come. Let it come. Good job.
Thank you. I'm gonna have a cappuccino, please, with whole milk.
Okay.
Two of them.
Two.
Chair number 73. You want the ancient Indian of luck, so our boat can maybe leave?
Wow, that was loud. You're on the way.
I want to go boating.
No, you don't.
Speak to your own future. Here we are again, preparing Find a Magic Muffler Shop 6-inch exhaust system. Yeah, they have those everywhere.
Maybe if I drink a little coffee, it's gonna feel better.
Hope so.
We're gonna hope that this guy in Miami gonna help us.
He had some pretty big weld shop. I hope he can do it. Victor's Machine Shop.
Do you need help?
Just maybe to get it out of here.
Alright. I'm trying to read by the by Victor's face expression if he's positive that he can fix it or not. And can't we live without it? Can it just fog the boat and fill the boat with smoke, and so what?
No, maybe I'll just go to Home Depot and get a vacuum cleaner hose and run it out the window. You know, gypsy boat. Once again, this guy is amazing. He said,
"Yay, this guy is amazing."
He said, "Well, I'll grind it all out." He said, "I'm going to see what's available in steel or stainless." The reality is, this is.
Where is these people coming from? Sitting by the road.
Clearly. But we have a wet exhaust system, so it takes the raw water in, cools the engine. That's nice and cool and everything works. This is the part before it gets to water. And it's got a big high rise to it, so the water can't go backwards. That's where it rusted and rotted out, because that's steel. The rest of it's stainless. So I'm going to have the guy make that all out of stainless.
Can't we stick to the original design?
It is the original design. That's where it rusted out.
5 years later. Oh, I should have not done that.
Have some more coffee.
Fine, we're not gonna put salt on the wound.
How about foam on the nose?
Hey! The last piece of electric saga.